Hello friends, in this video we have studied the theory of motion of second. In previous lecture we have studied that the cam and follower. We started the new unit of the cam and follower, in which we have seen that the classification of cam, classification of follower, and in this video in previous lecture we have studied that the follower types, classification of follower motion of type, in which previous lecture we have seen that the simple harmonic motion. Okay, in this video we have studied that the cycloid motion. We in previous lecture uniform velocity we have seen that, then second will be the simple harmonic motion, third will be the cycloid motion. We have studied that the follower motion. Then what is the cycloid motion? What is the cycloid? What is the cycloid? Cycloid, it is the locus of a point on a circle which roll on a straight line. Means it is the locus of the point which rolls on a straight line. It is called as the cycloid. We have drawn that the displacement diagram, that is the cycloid motion, is roughly shown that the how it is the cycloid motion will be transmitted. Okay, in this we have drawn the roughly diagram of the cycloid motion. Okay, this is the x-axis, that is the cam angle, that is the cam angle, y-axis it is the displacement, Okay, how it is displacement. Okay, this is the one cycloid, this is the this is the roller, or this is the cycloid. The how it is the motion will be transmitted by cycloid motion. Okay, how it is the transmit the motion of the cycloid. Okay, this is the roughly we draw that, and how roughly we draw that, that is the okay, this 2 is the drawn, 3 this is the cycloid, this is the cycloid motion will be transmitted. Cycloid motion will be transmitted, in which the x-axis with that is the cam angle. This stroke is called as the outstroke, and this is the called as the return stroke, and this is the delta t. Okay, this region is called as the rise, this region is called as the dwell, and this region is called as the return. This is the classification of the follower. Okay, how it is the cycloid motion? The cycloid is nothing but it is a locus of the point which locates the point in a straight line is called as the cycloid. Okay, it is called as the cycloid. This figure shown that there is a motion of the follower. This figure shown that the motion of follower with cycloid motion, then how it is drawn, that is the displacement diagram by using the cycloid motion. We have studied the one by one step. We have studied that the method of drawing the displacement, drawing the displacement, drawing the displacement diagram. Okay, first divide the angular displacement, divide the angular displacement, divide the angular displacement of cam during outstroke into equal number of parts, say 6. First step we say that the divide the angular displacement given in the problem of a cam during the outstroke into the equal number of parts. Equal number of parts means this outstroke will be given as the in problem, this divided into the 6 part. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then second step will be the draw the diagonal line of OF. Draw the diagonal line, draw the diagonal line, draw the diagonal line of OF. Suppose this is the F and this O, this diagonal line is OF. Draw the diagonal line of the OF. Third will be the draw the circle a point O such that its circumference is equal to follower displacement, Third step we have seen that the draw the circle a point O such that its circumference is equal to the follower displacement. Draw the point O such that its circumference is equal to the follower displacement. Means this is divided into the 6 part, that is into equal parts, means 1 2 or 6 part will be divided. Okay, then fourth step, project the circle line, project the circle line to its vertical diameter, and then in a direction parallel to the diagonal, OF to the corresponding vertical lines, corresponding vertical line 1 2 3 4 6. Okay, then fifth step will be the draw the curve, the points, A B C D E F, during the outstroke, Next step will be the sixth step will be the project the point ABCD, project the line A, B, C, D to the corresponding vertical lines 7, 8, 9, 10, for which gives the intersection point is known as the H, I, J, K. And then draw the curve through the HIK, gives the cycloid displacement. Draw the cycloid displacement. Okay. How it is the displacement? First step will be the divide the angular displacement of a cam during the outstroke into the equal number of parts. Okay. Divide the angular displacement. Okay. In which data, suppose this is the step. Okay. We draw that. This is first step will be divide the angular displacement. Means this is the okay. This is the cam angle. Okay. This is the cam angle. And divide the angular displacement of a cam during the outstroke equal the equal number of parts. This is the this distance is called as the outstroke. This distance is called as the theta return stroke, and this is the theta d. Okay. In which equal number of 6 part means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6. Okay. Again 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then 12. This is the divide the outstroke 6 part and return stroke 6 parts. Okay. Second step will be the draw the diagonal line of OF. The O and F, this is the diagonal line, means in which this diagonal line. Okay. And then draw the circle of the OA. Suppose this is the O. Okay. Here this is the diagonal OF, and then parallel to the this divided again 6 part. Okay. Again 6 part means this is and this is. Okay. The diagonal of the parallel means diagonal ला parallel काढणार तुम्ही. This diagonal again parallel. Okay. OF and divided into these 6 parts, that is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6. This cycloid the 6 parts. Okay. So this is the again draw the projection line. This is the projection line. This is the again third projection line. Again projection line. This is the 6th part of the projection line. Okay. 1, 2 means 1, 2. This is the 2 means A. 3 and 4. This is B. 4 and 6. This is C. This is D. This is E. Okay. This is E, and then again E. Okay. Draw this curve, that is the E. Okay. This is the F. This is the, suppose this is the cycloid, and this again draw the projection 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and then 12. Again projection, that is the, suppose this is the projection, this projection, this projection, this projection, this is projection. Okay. F G. This is the G. This is H I J K L, and this is M. Again draw this cycloid motion. Okay, again draw this cycloid motion, that is the by using the cycloid motion in y-axis, that is the displacement. We know that the S, this is the cam angle, this is the outstroke, this is the return stroke, and this is the cycloid motion. By using the cycloid, we draw the displacement diagram by using the cycloid motion. Okay, thank you.